So a lot of people have reported that the PlayStation 5 has a noise to it when the fan kicks in. So I've noticed a couple of things. So I'm in Fortnite right now, and as you can see, this is on the loading screen, not doing anything. The game finished, and you can hear that sound, that whined. Now let's go ahead and this is on the main screen now. You can still hear it, and it gets louder the closer I get. And let's see what happens if I actually turn the game off, if I close the game itself. And there you go. So I closed the game, and now it's off. So when the game is on, or most of the games that you play, when they're on, you can hear that whine. So here we go. Let's test it again. There we go. The fan kicks in. So I don't know if this will be a fix. I don't know if this is a standard, how it's supposed to be, but you can definitely hear it. It's not as loud as the PS4, because the PS4, when the fan kicks in, it kicks in. But if you are sitting close to this and don't have headset on, you can hear it.